My name is Tillman. I'm from South Carolina. I decided to attend Drone Command Live because, of course, I purchased a drone and I'm looking to start a drone business. The beauty of attending virtual was being able to, of course, be at home because this is a pretty long process in regards to information they actually divulge. But the one thing about it, which I like very much is it kept me captivated. It's not that often I've attended webinars or seminars, and actually the whole amount of time that we spent on it was actually captivating and kept you going. Um, I would tell anyone that's basically who are looking to attend the program but kind of on the fence that it's well worth the money, just especially from the aspect of the information you receive on how to actually leverage and start the business because there's great information that they provide in regards to understanding your marketplace, and it helps to remove a lot of the limitations that most people have in their mind on why to move forward or if they can move forward because the breakdown of the actual concept of business. The two gentlemen that's basically conducting the program are phenomenal. You know, they got this stuff together, and you're definitely in good hands. And make sure you get the VIP because it's a lot of information to try to memorize, but it's well worth it because you'll be able to continue to use it for a long time into the future.